How to create a Canva account. So if you want to create a Canva account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Canva. And after searching here, on the first search you will have www.canva.com. You can click on that. Now if you want to create a Canva account, then you can go to the upper right corner which says sign up and click on that. Now to sign up, you can continue with your Google account, or you can also continue with your Facebook, or you can also continue with your email. So I'll be choosing email. And now you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email, click on continue. Now to create your account, you have to enter your name, and after entering your name, click on create account. Now you have to enter the code which Canva has sent to your email address that you have just provided. But if you didn't get the code, then you can click on resend code and then you will get the code again. So what you have to do is you have to simply open up your Gmail account, and then you have to simply copy this code and paste it here. And that's it. That's how you create your Canva account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.